This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bird's nest baklava. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of delicate phyllo dough, ensuring it's properly thawed. For the delicious filling, prepare 2 cups of your favorite nuts, like pistachios or walnuts, finely chopped. Don't forget 1 cup of melted unsalted butter or ghee to achieve that perfect golden crispness. Finally, have your sugar, water, and a squeeze of lemon juice ready for the aromatic syrup. Now let's prepare the heart of our baklava, the nut filling and the sweet syrup. In a bowl, gently mix your 2 cups of finely chopped nuts with 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of fragrant cinnamon. For the syrup, combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 1/2 cups of water in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Remember, the syrup must be completely cool before it meets the hot baklava. Now for the fun part, assembling our beautiful bird's nest baklava. Lay out 2 sheets of phyllo dough and brush them thoroughly with melted butter. Place a thin dowel or skewer along one long edge. Sprinkle a line of your delicious nut mixture evenly across the phyllo. Carefully roll the phyllo tightly around the dowel, then gently scrunch it from both ends towards the center. Remove the dowel and coil the scrunched phyllo into a charming nest shape, placing it onto your baking sheet. Finally, it's time to bake our exquisite baklava nests. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake them for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are wonderfully crisp. As soon as they come out of the oven, immediately pour the completely cooled syrup over the hot baklava. This creates that perfect, sweet, sticky texture. Let them soak for at least 4 hours, or even overnight, before enjoying your delightful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.